In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Thrustmaster steering wheel Ferrari. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have the T80 Ferrari edition, you might encounter problems while trying to connect it to your PC or a console. So I'm gonna show you various methods that will help you address any issues that you have while using this. So in this example, I'm using the T80, but you might have a different model. The general steps are the same, so just make sure to follow along. So first of all, if you are trying to use it on a console, ensure that any toggles on the steering wheel itself are properly set up. So if your specific model has a toggle between, let's say, PlayStation 4, PlayStation 3, you need to set it accordingly. So as long as you set the steering wheel mode accordingly, for use in a console, you will be able to address any issues to it not working. So in this example, if you are using it on a PlayStation 4, find the toggle usually on the base around these parts, and you will be able to set it up. After this is done, just ensure that the USB connection is thoroughly established. So if the cable is loose, reinforce it, and there's no additional step, because on consoles you don't have to download the software or the firmware. It is essentially plug and play, so you just connect it and you will be good to go. Now, if you are trying to do this on a PC, there are some additional steps that you should take, namely downloading the latest version of their firmware. This can be done through the official website, so go to support.thrustmaster.com or look for the Ferrari model that you have, in this example the T80. Once you arrive at the support page for your specific model, go to drivers and you will find the executable here for the unified drivers package. Run this executable and this will install the Thrustmaster control panel on your computer. Through the control panel, you can see if the connection was established through a USB port. If it says OK, you are good to go. And then you can access the properties and then go into advanced if you would like to test the inputs and change other additional settings about the Thrustmaster Ferrari steering wheel. There's no secret to this, just update the drivers and it will be usable in any game that's compatible. If it still does not work, it could be a problem with the specific game that you are trying to play. For example, some games like GTA 5 simply do not support steering wheel inputs. In those cases, there is nothing that you can do to get support. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Thrustmaster steering wheel Ferrari. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.